Hello, Jim here from the Physio Matters team, and join us as we unbox our new Alpinion i9 ultrasound scanning machine. Dom from Physiquipe brought us the machine and he helped us set it up, ready for our clinic, but more on that in a minute. Setup really is quick and easy. I was particularly surprised at how everything fitted together and was ready to go pretty much instantly. It really is just personalising the machine that needs to happen. None of us have actually done our ultrasound scanning training as yet, so having Dom there to help us with the machine and set it up right from basics was really useful. Although, to be honest, it was so easy, you do just plug things in and press the power button. Once we had the machine turned on, we asked Dom to take Rob through the machine and all its really advanced, awesome functions.
Now we can really see that finger joint in there, see the tendon running across the top, and now I can follow that tendon all the way down, right into your fingertip, and you can see the attachment of that tendon there. So again, if you just curl your finger up a little bit, perfect, you can see how that tendon is attaching into there.
Once we'd stopped messing around and pretending Rob had all sorts of weird types of arthritis in his hands, we asked Dom to set the machine up so it was perfectly calibrated for Choose Health.
So now we have Choose Health at the top of your screen, okay? The next thing we do is we'll look at your image presets. So on your transducers, we have presets that optimizes the image for the relative area. So you can see we've got all your MSK presets on there. And then on the 319 as well, we have MSK presets. For anybody working in the vascular region with podiatry, rheumatology, we might want to have vascular on as well. Otherwise, those are set.
So there we are, our Alpinion i9 machine is ready to go for scanning patients, and we're going to be learning all about how to use it properly. If you'd like to discuss which types of ultrasound scanning might be appropriate for your clinic, then please do get in touch with Physiquipe. The links will be surrounding this video or are on screen now.